I always wanted to work with my hands, and I was kind of unsure going into high school what I wanted to do. And my final senior year, it was finally in person, so I decided to take a bunch of hands-on classes. So I took machining, and I fell in love with it. I started my job before I had joined Anoka Tech here. So it was really hard for me to adapt at first, but once you kind of understood the basics from here, it really helped with your job. The benefits of being able to work and getting the education is you would get a huge pay boost at your job for graduating here, and they hold you to higher standards here, so people are going to be more open to employing you rather than employing somebody else who has no experience. Some of the best parts about this place is the teachers, the people. They're all super nice and hands-on and willing to help you with whatever you need. There is a lot of flexibility. The staff is very good at giving you extra time or helping you with your project. If somebody that I knew was trying to come to Anoka Tech, I would be honest and open and say, it's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth your time because in the long run, it's going to help you so much in your career and it's going to help you succeed.